I don't have a chair. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I think this is one of the first videos I'm doing alone. I was just thinking of doing a simple makeup look with this NYX palette. I wanted to buy it before and earlier, but I never really found the use. And since it's less expensive than the other Sephora brands, I saved my money. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I have an event tonight, so might as well just play with makeup. For the colors I did not use, I'll swatch it at the end. Let's get started. This is close to my face. I look white. Probably these lights are too close. Ew. If this is not focused, I wish I had those little blotting sheets because I realized that my T-zone is super oily. But the rest of my face is just like the desert. As you can see, my eyebrows are already done just to save some time. This is a problem. How did it break? I usually use for my eyebrows the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the darkest color, black. Or I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. The lady at Sephora said it was my color. I went home, I tried it on, and then it was too warm. So whenever I use the Dip Brow Pomade, I usually go over with a cool toned dark eyeshadow. After that pencil, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel so the hairs will stay in place. These are not my best eyebrows, but whatever. For face primer, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime Pore Refiner Stick. In every of my video, I drop something and it's really sad. Apparently, this is supposed to block out the oil that comes out of your skin and blurs out your face. Real life Facetune. I'm just going to put it where I have a lot of oil coming out. Oh. I don't know if I'm putting too much and it seems to blur out, so happy with that. My face is super white. And to prime my eyes, I'm using the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. I also have oily eyelids, so every time I put eyeshadow, it always creases. We're just gonna let that sit for a while and then come back after we did our face. For concealer, I use the Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer and the Maybelline Age Rewind. Oh, by the way, this is in the deep ivory color. I used a little sponge to spread it out. I should probably get my color next time. Next, I'll be using the Mary Kay Loose Powder in the color Beige One. It's not a translucent powder, which is good because I have so much makeup, but it's not this bright color. I'm gonna put that all over the concealer. I don't use foundation because I don't like the feeling of it on my face. I like my face to breathe. It seems like I'm putting a lot, but when I dip my brush in the powder, I take out the excess. I'm still white. I had bought this spray-on foundation from Sephora. The lady tried it on me again. It was my color. And then I go on stage, I put the foundation on, I take pictures, and my neck is darker, like it's yellow. And my face, I look like a ghost. So my foundation has to match my neck. Look at this. I'm gonna try to bronze with this. No!
Okay, so since my dad started to clean the house, I have to do a voiceover for a while, unless you want to hear the vacuum the whole time. So as I was saying, I'm using this Quo palette to bronze and contour, starting with the bronzer in the middle, and putting that all over my cheekbones, on my temples, and a little on my jawline. This is just to add a little life in my face. Next, I'll be using the contour shade to define my cheekbone and to add more shadow. I'm also using a tiny brush to contour my nose. Since I don't have any blush right now, I'll be using the two pink shades in the NYX palette. And then just blend it out. Next, I'll be using the Becca highlighter in the color Opal to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my brow bone. Going over the Becca highlighter, I'm adding the Physician Formula highlighter powder to add a little more extra shine. I also highlight my Cupid's bow. Next, I'll be using this Sephora 205 brush for eyeshadow. To set my lid, I'll be using the color Free Spirit in the Tartelette Amazonian Clay Matte Palette. Then going in with the fluffy side of the brush, I'll be using the red to do my outer corner. I'm also making sure to blend well so it won't look that crazy.
God help me. I am then going to take the orange, just dab it on there, and then put that in the center. The colors are pretty vibrant. Patting it on is the best way to put it on. I mean, I am going to take another clean brush because the yellow is the lightest and I don't want anything to be mixed in there. This is a shimmery color and it's prettier and brighter. It's well blended, I think. Just to be sure, I'm taking another clean brush and just like blending these colors in. I'm trying to use as many colors as I can, so I will be doing a cut crease. Another brush from Forever 21. I'm using the NARS concealer for my cut crease in the color Custard one. It's actually just Custard and Medium one. I am definitely not the best at the cut crease part, so let's just try this. The end is just gonna be a little faded. This is my official first cut crease, so please don't judge me. I am going to take the same brush as before and dip it back in this Free Spirit to set that concealer. To make the colors pop a little more, I'm going to use this white shadow. So then I'm going to go in this green shade over here. Oh! Okay, more colors coming out, so I think it's fine. You have less precision, but with the finger, the colors pop out more. I low-key look like a clown. I look like a unicorn pooped on my eyelids. Last one. Taking another fluffy clean brush, I'm just gonna blend it out a little, just to make it look more presentable. I put too much blue, but when I open my eyes, it doesn't show that much, so that's okay. Using the MAC Liquid Lash Liner, I'm going to do a wing. Wing better save my freaking look. This eyeliner also stays on like a tattoo, which is good because of my oily eyelids. And don't do that. Don't kill your eyes when you take off your makeup. God, they're not equal. Why do I have blue there? Next step is to curl the eyelashes because this look needs help. Urban Decay eyeliner. After this, don't open your eyes because I have monolids, so if I open my eyes, it's gonna go on my lid. Keep looking down because you worked hard on those wings. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear mascara. I'm using my Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. I curled my lashes. This is the only mascara that holds my lashes. The only thing I don't like about this mascara is the brush. It's super big, but maybe because I have small eyes. I mean, when I open my eyes, it looks good. Be confident. For lips, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Hudson. A nude is better for this look because the attention's on the eyes. Last but not least, I am using the L'Oreal setting spray. I feel refreshed. So there you go, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see what people say if I go out with this. Hopefully I don't look like a clown. Other videos will be posted probably shortly. I said probably. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.
6 hours later.
So I'm back. It's been almost 6 hours and I don't seem to be that, never mind. Usually my whole forehead and my T-zone is much shinier than this. I don't think you can see it, but it's pretty matte. The primer did a good job. I really wish I had those blotting sheets right now. But if I'm pressing, I don't see any oils, and that's good. My eyes, or my eyeshadow, did not crease, which is perfect. For my eyes, the colors are still really vibrant, which I love, and I don't want to take it off now. I also said that I was gonna swatch them, so let's do the pink right here. I cannot swatch for my life. We're gonna try this peachy color. Next is this purple pinkish shade. Hello. Then this other pink shade. It's more of a baby pink. This one is less opaque, but I mean, if you're going for a sheer look. Next is this lilac shade. I think this is the lightest shade in the pinks and purples. I'm gonna try to dip again. Second coat. Next we have this blue shimmer. Yum. This is how it looks like. Next we have this turquoise shimmer. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Next we have this light turquoise. This one is more matte. That didn't work. I'm pretty sure it's because I'm too white. Whatever. The next color is this lime shimmery green. Okay, this one turned out really opaque, I think. Never mind. Last but not least, the matte darker yellow. Here are all of the swatches. The best way that I found to apply the eyeshadow was with your finger on your eyelid. Swatches are completely different depending if it's on your arm or lid. I think it's a good product. I mean, if you're trying to save money, yeah, sure. But by tapping on your lid with a clean finger, I find that it is more opaque and you have more product. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna include a picture here with my swatches with my phone, just to get an idea of how it looks like in pictures, with flash and without flash. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. By the way, not sponsored.